When you need to use the computer to open up, the computer update itself takes a period of time, and you have to wait to cause a loss of time as well as interrupt your work. Today, we will guide you on how to disable the update on Windows 10. There are many ways to disable Windows updates. Here are the 2 most effective ways. 1. How to disable Windows automatic update. 2. How to permanently disable Windows updates. Here's how to disable the automatic update in Windows. When the installation is complete and the update is complete, your Windows update will default to this. To turn off the update window automatically, you press the Window plus R keys to open the shaking dialog, then type gpedit.msc and select OK. In this window, you select the administrative templates, then select the Windows components. Continue to find the Windows update. Click Select. In this Windows update you click double on the Configure a Automatic Updates. Here there are 3 items are not configured, enabled, and disabled. To disable Windows Update Automatic you tick on the disabled item, then choose Apply then select OK. Then the automatic update Windows has been turned off. Back to the window update item you are informed that you have disabled the update automatically. The machine will not automatically update anymore. When you want to you enter the update manually on your own for the update machine. That's how to disable the automatic update of Windows. If you want to permanently disable it, see the following. From the window, you enter Services and then click Select. In this window, you go to the line of Windows Update, then click double to open it. At the Startup type, you are leaving Manual to be Manual. You select Disabled, then choose Stop, then select Apply, and finally OK. If the Windows Update has been permanently turned off, go back to the Windows Update check for updates, and then the computer failed to update. To open it again, you go back to the settings, select Manual, Apply, and OK, and you've reopened Windows Update and manually updated again. So I've taught you how to turn off automatic updates or permanently turn off updates for your computer for work and entertainment without interruption, as well as how low configuration computers running stable Windows will make the machine run smoother with no more lag. Don't forget to subscribe to the Like Share channel for more videos. Hello, and see you again.